Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera to our lecturer Madam Nur Halimatu Sa'diah binti Ismail. Today we are from Group 3. We'll be presented on our group project entitled of Annuity and Trade and Cash Discount. The Group 3 consists of 3 members, that is me, myself as Imanina Zahira binti Hazza, and then Wardina Safia, and lastly Nur Irene Natasha. We will start the presentation with the question 1A. The question 1A is about the term of the present value of unity. The sum of the present value of unity is all about the sum of all the present value of the predict payment. Present value calculation tell how much money will require to produce a series of payment in the future given specific interest rate. The keyword for the present value is the present value itself, the original value, borrow, invest, loan, and others. Next, we move to the question 1B. So this is the list of the formula that used to find the predict payment. A is stand for the present value and R for the predict payment. And then I equals to the K per M. N is for the frequency. The frequency like monthly, annually, weekly, and others. So this is the last question for the question 1, that is 1C. So this is the list of the formula to determine the interest earned based on the future value of annuity. The formula is I equals to the S minus R and N. I is stand for the interest amount, and S for the future value, R and for the predict payment.
Question number 3A. What is cash discount terms? The 3 over here means discount rate. If you pay something within 10 days, you will get 3% discount. Otherwise, if you pay something on day 11 until day 20, you will not get any discount since N over here means no discount.
Next, question 3B. The difference between trade and change discount. The trade discount is based on the list price, and the trade discount is also a reduction of the selling price given by the seller to the buyer, while the chain discount is a series of a trade discount and more than one discount. For example, an online buyer shopping in the online shopping and use the different kinds and type of discount.
Question number 2A asks about the amount at the end of the investment period and the amount of interest earned. For the amount at the end of the investment period, we use interest amount formula, which is S equal to P 1 plus I to the power of 2. At the end of the calculation, we got 9,859 ringgit 60 cents. While the interest earned, since we already have S and P, we just use a formula S minus P. And the total is 847 ringgit 22 cents.
Question 2. Bought a car for 84,000 and made equal payment of RMZ every 2 months for 9 years, 2.7 interest compound every 2 months. How much must he repay the bank if I want to sell off his car after making 44 repayments? So R, we don't know the R, so we have to find the R, which is RMZ. S, RM 84,000, T 9 years, K 2.7%, which is 0.027, N equal to 12 per N, equal to 12 per 2, and we got 6. I equal to K per M, and we get 0.0027 per 6, and 44 times 9 over 12, and we get 33.75. So we proceed to the next. So 84,000 equal to Z in the bracket 1 plus 0.27 square root 33.75 minus 1 and divide by I. So after calculate all the number, we get 84,000 equal to Z bracket 36.36. So the answer is RM2,310 ringgit point 23 cent.
Question number 4A asks about which company offers a greater discount on its merchandise, assuming the list price is 35,000 ringgit. There are two companies offer the same type of vending machine but with a different discount. The first company, XY Company, offer a series discount of 20%, 10% and 4% discount. The net price is 24,192 ringgit, while the second company offer a single discount of 32%. The net price of the AB company is 23,800 ringgit. The company that offers a greater discount is AB company. It is because the net price is more cheaper than the XY company's price, which is RM 24,192 ringgit.
Alright, the last question will be an invoice date 18 February 2022 for 9,800 inclusive of insurance charge of RM120 was offered trade discount of 5%, 2% and cash discount term of 4/10, 2/15 and N/30. Find the total amount paid on 1 March 2020. So the T will be 18 February 2022. So the LP will be RM 9,800 minus RM 120. So the equal will be RM 9,618. So the AC is RM 120, D1 5%, D2 2% and NP we don't know. So we have to find the NP first. So the NP LP bracket 1 minus D1 bracket 1 minus D2. So NP 9,800 bracket 1 minus 0.05 bracket 1 minus 0.02. So we will get RM 9,123.8 cent. The last step is T equal to 18 February 2020 minus 1 March 2022. T 29 minus 18 plus 1 will be 18 days. The C will be 4/10, 2/15 and N/30. TP, NP plus AC 9,182.3 cent plus 120 and we will get RM 9,248.8 cent. So the TPLP bracket 1 minus D1 bracket 1 minus D2 bracket 1 minus C plus AC. So 9,123.8 bracket 1 bracket 0.931 bracket plus 120. So we will get RM 8,640 ringgit point 25 cent.